Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. What's happening, party people? Oops, coolant roulette. Let me shut this down. What's happening, party people? That's much better. I am headed over to the shop to replace this radiator so I don't blow this engine up. Then I'm gonna go over to John's, take care of a couple things, pack this car up, get out of here today. I'm still in Chicago, man. So let's see what Alex got going on down at the shop. We got speakers. They fit in the 240. They also fit in the 850 front doors. Rumor has it they sound excellent, but I hadn't tried them myself yet. So if you need some that'll fit 850 front door, they are also for own. Let's do it. If you are looking for front door speakers for your Volvo 850, pull the grill out behind the grill. Swedish Car Parts has these lovely speakers here. Fit right in there. They have a magnet attachment bolted instead of glued, which is nice. 4 ohm 20-watt speakers. Fit in there perfect. I hear they sound great. I haven't installed the set on my car yet, but as you can see, the screw pattern is perfect. They also have a few other things that they're going to be offering soon. These also fit on 240s. Again, I hear they sound great, but I haven't tried them. When I do, I'll update, let you guys know. They should be on their website. Door speakers, front door speakers, woo woo. They also have fender light kits in case you need new ones, tired of your old ones falling out. They got clear, amber, a few other things on their website. Back here at the 850, try to take care of 1 or 2 more things before I hit the road. He's got an AC condenser connection leaking, dripping on the ground. I'm looking for the seal that goes in there now. Hopefully I can get that seal installed and make sure he's not leaking any more AC refrigerant. Everybody likes AC, man, when it gets hot. A lot of these 850s, like these S&V 70s, are losing the ability to mount their lower dash panels because these are breaking away. So what I'm going to do is set it in place, drill a hole through the panel up into this knee bolster, and put a sheetrock screw in it. It's the best I can figure out to do with it. 1 screw should hold it nice and tight. And there it is, folks. The panel is nice and tight, and it's got 1 screw under it. Okay, folks, that is it for now. AC works, gauges are installed and they work. We got a lot of tuning to finish up doing. The transmission works. We got the air guide back on. You can see that air guide part number there. All the other panels and stuff back on. Now I need to clean up and load up my stuff and get out of here so I can hit the East Coast. Get out there with Jose and whoever else needs some help out there. And we're all loaded up and out of here. Exactly 38 minutes. There we go, folks. Smoker Craft. And there's the man himself. Dan the man. Look, he even got his Volvo fake t-shirt on. Is that both your wagons?
This comes from...
That looks like both your wagons.
Scottish Brick.
Nice.
It's nice art, eh?
Panther. Man, that car is strange. Didn't leak a drop of coolant all the way from Chicago. So let's go, man. Woo woo!
You know, I'll get out of the way as quick as
Dan the man getting the rig ready.
Oh yeah.
Man, look at this beautiful shaft. These black wheels. Them windows are. Man, where'd he get them windows tinted at? This is one mean looking rig right there, baby. Woohoo! Little rainy out. Not too many people.
we're just about ready.
Makes it perfect for an uncrowded situation before the storms come in. In this video, we're going to show you how to back a boat up to the boat dock. Put the car in reverse, step on the gas, and start wiggling that thing back. You go left, then you go right, then you go left. You hold your mouth just like that. Nice and slow, just take your time. That probably does your bearings, getting them wet in the water.
I know. Car in the water right now.
Yeah.
Depends on the lake and the ramp.
Yeah. First shot, people.
I might have to get a little wet.
Gloop, 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 gloop. It's in. It's in. You're done. Didn't even get the car wet. Then you go park your car. You tie your boat off if you're by yourself. And we're ready to go. You know you had a good lake with lots of fish. There's about 1,000 minnows right there, wiggling around in the water. It's a good sign. Good ecosystem. You got lily pads, you got moss, and you got some wide open space, man. A lot of boats out here. A lot of people on the lake. But not right now, because it's supposed to be raining. When they say it's supposed to rain, people don't get out here. Get the boat started before you load it up. Pump a little gas in there. Choke it.
Close. Yeah, don't let it hit that depth finder. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Got some sputter. There we go.
There we go. It's been a month since I ran it.
Okay.
We're ready. Now you can hop in.
And we're in. And we're off. Dan, first catch.
He's little, but hey, it counts.
First cast. Woohoo! There's fish in here.
Oh yeah.
Dan's got a lunker. He's worried about my line, and he'd be worried about that lunker.
I'm worried about the lunker, but your line's right in the way. You get your line. Look at this. Look at. Oh man. I'll net it. It's a nice bass, man.
I got it in.
All right, brother. Look at that thing, man.
Get a few pounds.
Good. Right there. You got it.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
It's about 2 pounds, ain't it?
Yeah. He's nice.
Nice.
Fish.
Woo-hoo. Dan the man.
Should we measure him?
17 inches. And he'll live to eat again.
Buddy. Oh yeah.
Look at these calipers Dan the man just painted. And guess what they're going on? That's right, folks. This 240. Beautiful car. Every time I see this car, it looks a little better. He's got it running. He can fire it right up. Got it running now. Just doing some fine tuning to it. Rear brakes. And this thing's going to be ready to roll. He might have already registered it. Let me see if he put plates on the back already. Man, this thing's nice. Look at there. Whew. Red block, baby. Yep. Got the plates on it. Historical plates on the 240. 242. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.